southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Staunton to near Evansville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Staunton, Fort Atkinson, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Brooklyn, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Johnstown Center, Indian Fort, Bussville, and Cooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.